Welcome back. So this is the next day, obviously, and this is what this unit is currently looking like after I detangle the hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tease up this hair a little bit. I already have my hair wrapped up like this, so I'm gonna tease up this hair. I have my little comb here that comes with this unit, so I'm just gonna, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is what I'm trying to do it again. Do it more. It's easy, very easy. And it doesn't hurt. Okay, so this is what the unit currently looks like after teasing it. Looks like that. And then with my own natural hair, I'm gonna try to tease it up a little bit, probably with the brush or the comb. It already looks natural even if I haven't done anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to, and just know that I don't have the combs, I didn't open the combs yet because I tried this wig before this video, before I detangle the hair, and when I find that when I do that, it pulls on my own natural hair even before I clip it. So the clips are closed. When I find where I want to clip the hair, that is when I'm gonna open the combs. I don't know if I make sense. So they're all closed, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, I don't know, just to rough my hair a little bit. See, it's already clipping on my hair, so you need to be careful when you do this. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the combs on this side, and I would clip it and close it just like that. Yo, that was quick. Clip the comb, unclip it, and I'm not using all the combs in this unit simply because I only need this, the combs here and the one at the back, and that's it for me. You could use all the combs, it's it depends on you, but I'm not using all of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to use the comb on that side as well, just after clipping it like so. It looks like this. Look how realistic this looks. You don't need a leave out or a thin leave out, nothing, just your natural hair. You don't need no cornrow. It just looks so pretty. What I'm gonna do now is I'm using this brush that came with the hair. I'm just trying to rough my own hair as well as that of the IPART wig, just so it looks natural. I'm trying to do the same thing on this side. Before this video, I played with this unit just to see how I can style it to look more natural, and as you can see, the center part looks natural, but I still have this line from the IPART wig. I try to see how to cover that. So what I did was, you don't have to do this, but this is just me. What I did was I had to take out just a tiny piece from this side, like that much, like so. I'll just use my fingers just to tease out this hair like so, so it looks natural. And when I do that, I bring it, I can see because I need my mirror, sorry guys. Okay, so when I do that, I bring it over the center part of this side to cover that line, the harsh line as I will call it. And this is before and this is after. I don't know if you guys can see it, like before, after. I'll probably use my fingers. I'm gonna tuck this in, like look for a space in this unit and tuck that in like so, just to hide it out somewhere. This hair is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm going to share my thoughts. This unit again is by ilikehair.com. You could go look them up. I'm going to leave all the deets down in the description box below if you're interested. I do have a code for you if you want to shop this unit, so you save huge on this Thanksgiving and holidays. So this unit is an 18-inch wig, is an IPART hair wig, and it comes with a lot of goodies. As I shared with you in the intro of this video, the hair is soft and it's true to length. I love that the curls are really nice and the hair feels so soft. One of the great things I love about this unit is that it doesn't come with any scent, so I didn't have to wash it when I received it. I only detangled the hair using my conditioner mix just to give it like a little bit of fresh scent, okay, or a little bit of life as I would call it. But styling the hair is really easy. You don't need glue, you don't need any glue, you don't need got-to-be spray, you don't need gel, like you don't need all that stuff. You only need your hair, no cornrow, like no cornrow. You don't need to melt any lace, you don't need any leave out, you don't need like not even a tiny piece of leave out. You don't need all that. You only need your hair and this unit. That's all. And probably you need this to at least style your parting, because this is really important. And you also need this little tiny comb as well to like tease the unit and tease your own natural hair, because that's what would make the hair look natural on you when you put it on. The hair really matches the root of my own hair. It looks like it's growing from your scalp. Like you don't need to convince people that it's not your hair. Like, I mean, like, duh. Cap of this unit is also a breathable cap. It does feel lightweight. It does not feel heavy at all. I honestly love this unit and I recommend it 100%. This is not my first time working with this brand. If you're new to my channel, it's not my first time. This is actually my second time working with them, and their unit is the real deal. You get what you pay for. You don't get something else, right? So this is really pretty. I love this, and I highly, like 1,000 times, I highly recommend this unit. This unit is a 5-star rating from me. So this will bring me to the end of this video. I hope this was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe here with the bell to all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to check out ilikehair.com for your affordable units, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.